Hey y'all, today we're making dry fried ribs. Alright, so I'm going to start by prepping my veggies. I'm going to cut a green onion, and then I'm going to largely chop white onion, some ginger, and a jalapeno, and garlic. Alright, so just going to peel this ginger. It's okay if you don't get all of the peel off. You do want your veggies to be large so that when we go to fry them, we can remove them easily from the oil. Alright, so for this recipe, we are going to use some spare ribs. I'm going to clean them with some white vinegar and water. I'm going to let those soak in the water for about 5 minutes, and then I'll pour that water off, and then I'll rinse a couple of times. Alright, so I'm pouring the water off, just going to make sure I get all of that water off of there. And then I'm going to cut these into bite-sized pieces. You can cut them as small as you want them. So just going to chop these up, and then we're going to start to work on our season and marinade. Alright, so here are the seasonings I'm going to use. I'll have them listed in the description box. Going to add that in. I'm also going to add in some soy sauce, and then I'm going to add in some oyster sauce, and then the vegetables that we chopped with the exception of the green onion. I'm also going to add in that starch, and I'm going to mix everything around, and I'm going to let this just sit and marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. On medium-high heat, I am going to add some vegetable oil to a cast iron skillet. If you have a wok, you can use that as well. And then we're going to let this heat up, and then we are going to add in our meat. I'm going to fry this. I'm trying not to put the ginger, garlic, and onion in there just yet. I want to wait till I get about halfway through the cooking process, and then I'll add the pieces of ginger and garlic and onion into there. This is really a quick meal, especially for a weeknight when you don't have a lot of time to cook. This is a great meal. So now I'm adding in those pieces of ginger and onion, and it took me about, I'd say 12 to 15 minutes to fry this. I did flip them once they were halfway through. Another note is once you've put all the pieces in the pan, then you'll want to turn your fire up to high, because something with the cornstarch that you add in there, it makes the temperature go down a lot. So you want to cook this, fry this on high the remaining time once you've got everything into the skillet. Alright, so I'm just going to remove these from the skillet once they are crispy, and then just let them drain. Hey y'all, would you do me a favor? Please make sure that you like this video. If you are new, please make sure you subscribe. For my returning viewers, as always, hey y'all. All right, so I'm just removing everything from the skillet, and then after I've taken the meat out, I'll take the onions and ginger and garlic out as well. And then I'm going to remove almost all of the oil. I'm probably going to leave about 1/4 of a cup of the oil in the skillet, and then we'll go to the next step. All right, so after I've removed everything from the skillet, I have just a little oil in there. I'm going to add those green onions. I'm going to add some sesame seeds, and you can add chili flakes. That's optional. I like it hot, and then I'm adding the jalapenos in there as well. And then I'll add the meat back into there after I've let these saute for about, say, 2 minutes or so. I'll add the spare ribs back in there just to get them crispened up and to kind of merge with the flavors that I have in the skillet. I'm gonna fry them for another 2 minutes in total, and then I'll remove them and let them drain. And here I'm just getting everything incorporated together. This is great served with some fried rice or some chow mein. You can also use white rice. It's a really simple recipe. It took no time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I appreciate you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.